Well, I finally have it. My Mavic Mini that I've been wanting. Was able to get it from Costco. Here's what's in the box. So, this is the unveiling, and then we'll take it for a test flight. So, wish me well. Thanks. I'm very excited. So what do you get in the bundle? You get the Mavic Mini charging base. You get one additional battery. And you get the Mavic Mini itself. Ultralight, 249 grams. So, here's what you get in the bundle from Costco. Well, as you can see, I already have the charging base plugged in. It's time to unveil the Mavic Mini itself. Alright, so here is what's in the box. You have your controller. You have your Mavic Mini. You have all your manuals, quick start guide, do's and don'ts. And let's see what's in the box. Looks like some extra props. Oh, your cables for your controller and your phone. Joysticks for your controller. Little screwdriver. Silica gel pack. And looks like these are some prop cards. Or is this a cable? Let's see. Oh, it's a cable. Can never have enough cables. And some more information. Know your fly zones, pre-flight checklist. I'll be going through that prior to my first flight. And as always, be considerate of others. And some more information, safety information. All right, so excited for the first flight. We'll see how it goes.